Hi everyone. Today's tutorial is going to be about starting a TAXplan Canada client portal account. First thing we're going to do is we're going to direct our browser to taxplancanada.ca. That will take you to the main website, and from here we're going to go across the top of the page. We're going to see this drop down login, and we're going to select TAXplan Client Portal. It will take us to the main sign-in page. From here, we're going to select Sign Up, and we're going to follow the prompts. We're going to enter our email and then follow the prompts until we have verified our new account. And after that's done, we will go back to the sign-in page here, and we're going to enter our email. This is just a sample email that I have, and password. We're going to click Sign In. And when we sign in, we're going to see the TAXplan Client Organizer or Tax Prep Organizer, and you'll see that in your drop down or your to-do list. This will be basically your dashboard when you log in, and you will have on the left-hand side your menu of options and different functionalities. On the right-hand side, you will have some different things, some quick links, uploading documents, which we will cover in a subsequent video, uploading a folder. When you are done uploading, you can let your tax pro know so that they know that it's time to start your tax return. If you want to start a new chat or communication with your tax pro, you can do that here as well. You can see if there is a balance due on your account or if you have any credits available. And then our contact info is here. And then, of course, if you wanted to download our mobile app, you can do so here as well. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the Tax Prep Organizer, click that, and then we're going to follow this through until the end. And once that's done, one of our tax pros or myself will follow up with instructions as to how to continue from there. Thanks very much, and we hope to see you soon.